Hello, all you outstanding little learners. Let's jump in and learn about number 5. Let's start with counting to 5. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Here are the numbers on the number line. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you count backwards? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count all the numbers until number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's dive to number 5. Jump one space back. Which number do you see? Number 4. Jump back to number 5. Jump one space forward. Which number do you see now? Number 6. 5. This is the numeral and this is the word. Spell it again. 5. Now let's see where we can find the number 5. Look at the stars. It has 5 dots on one side. Can you find it? That's the number 5. And check out these dominoes. There's a domino with 5 dots on one side. Can you spot it? That's 5 too. Now let's explore a 5 frame. It's like a picture frame for numbers. Look, we can put 5 little counters inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It fills up the whole 5 frame. That's number 5 in our 5 frame. And here's something very special called a 10 frame. Where can we put the 5 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row. Wonderful! 5 numbers in the top row and nothing in the bottom. But this is the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One side quarter fish. Oh, no. I'm not too fond of this song. 5 little sharks, do-do-do-do-do-do. 5 little sharks, do-do-do-do-do. 5 little sharks, sharks. 5 mommy sharks, do-do-do-do-do. 5 mommy sharks, do-do-do-do-do. 5 mommy sharks, do-do-do-do-do. 5 mommy sharks. 5 daddy sharks, do-do-do-do-do. Daddy sharks, do-do-do-do-do. 5 daddy sharks, do-do-do-do-do. 5 daddy sharks. This is a much nicer song for me. I can see that you want to spend some more time with me under the sea. Let's go on a treasure hunt and find all the coins with the number 5. How many coins could you find? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I need to go now. It is getting dark and I do not want to miss my mum's dinner. But I hope you will join us again soon on the Pleasant Memories Education YouTube channel. Here we learn, play and sing along. I am excited to see you soon. Remember to click that subscribe button. Do it now, quickly. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.